The 3M 08609 Window-Weld Urethane Adhesive is renowned for its robust bonding strength, making it an ideal choice for securely attaching windshields to vehicle frames, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting seal. Its advanced moisture-curing formula is designed to set quickly, achieving a safe drive-away condition in about 1 hour at 73 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for minimizing vehicle downtime. The adhesive's medium viscosity and non-sag properties allow for a controlled application, preventing drips and ensuring precision on both vertical and overhead surfaces. This one-part urethane adhesive is ready to use right out of the cartridge, requiring no mixing and simplifying the windshield replacement process with consistent performance. Beyond auto glass installation, this versatile adhesive can also be used for some non-structural panel bonding applications, making it suitable for a range of vehicles including cars, trucks, and SUVs. The product's compatibility with both manual and powered caulking guns adds to its ease of use, offering flexibility and convenience for professional users.